Hi, welcome back to the Daydreams of Quilts YouTube channel. Today I am making another free Made for Mermaids pattern, and this one's for an adult sleep mask. She also has child and doll sizes on her blog post. I'm going to link that in the description below. But I'm making this for my daughter. I'm doing the adult one, but I'm using the child measurement for the elastic. So you need to head to that link and print out this little pattern. And you're needing a lining, a main fabric, and some fold over elastic. And I have basted some quilt batting on the inside of my lining just to make it more so that light doesn't get through. My daughter really likes to have it dark when she's sleeping, and the days are starting to get longer here, so she's getting woken up by the sun. And she had one of these. I made one, but she's misplaced it, so she's asked me to make her another one today. So the first thing I'm going to do is baste my ribbon in place, or my fold over elastic, by placing the pattern down here, and then I'll just clip the elastic to the liner, and I'll just stitch that with a 1/4 inch seam. And I'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to put this other fabric right sides together. We need to make sure that our elastic is not going to get caught in the seam. And then clip all the way around. And we are going to need to leave a 2-inch opening for turning. Okay, and our pattern piece says 1/2 inch seam allowance, so we will sew with the 1/2 inch seam. And then we need to trim our seam allowance. So I won't trim where we left the opening because we need to turn that under to close it up. Trimming around the rest of our seam with some pinking shears. I will grab my chopstick, so when I turn this I can push out those seams. So I'll just run my chopstick along those seams to get them all turned all the way out. And then I'm just going to turn my edges under where I left my opening. Okay, and then I'm just gonna stitch around with a 1/8 of an inch top stitch to close up that opening and finish our face mask. We just have to be careful with this part to keep that fold over elastic out of the way. So I just stitched over the end where I started by about 4 stitches, just so I wouldn't have to back stitch and make it obvious where I started and stopped. So here we go. Oop, cut this little thread here. So there's our sleep mask, and she can reverse it if she wants the Ravenclaw side out, or she can have the Marauders map side out. We're big Harry Potter fans in this house, so there we go. That's how you make a sleep mask. Thank you to Megan from Made for Mermaids for this pattern, and I think she has some really cute little eyelash things you can cut and fuse with your Cricut if you want to check that out in her blog post. Okay, happy sewing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.